like Mr. Michael Kumar, who will have to say a few words. Yeah, so please.
Respected parents and my dear students, warm welcome from Indorus Learning Hub Private Limited and also from Mari State University. So, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? I hope everyone is fine here. Most of the people from Tamil Nadu. So, எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும். I'm from Telangana, Hyderabad basically. My mother tongue is Telugu. So I heard from the parent, Kavya's parent, like there is some communication problem with us. Definitely, sir, we'll definitely rectify that. And I want to suggest 3 things to the students. First of all, you are going to some abroad country. I think it was your first journey to other country. Like all the students over here, right? Or any one of you already traveled to any other country? Okay. So almost 99% are traveling for the first time. So I want all of you to remember about your health. Health is the mandatory thing. If you are not healthy, you can't study well. And you have to eat properly. You won't get your home food over there. From Indorus, we are trying our best to give you homely food. But definitely you won't get your mother's food over there. So everyone gonna miss that food. I'm telling this now on this stage because I want all of you people to decide and go. You're going for a purpose. The second thing is the purpose. Your purpose of travel. You're going there for your studies. You shouldn't waste your parents' money. Every parent here paid a lot of money and they are sending their parents there. So everyone should remember the purpose of your going there. Your visit to the Mari State University. From university, I assure that the student, what all the requirements for the students, it will be provided by the university as well as from the Indorus team. The students' work is to study well. You should never forget the purpose you went there. Okay? And definitely in college, not only studies, all the extracurricular activities, sports, everything will be there. But you shouldn't deviate from your studies. You should remember the main thing. You should also remember the third thing is your parents, how hard they are working and they are sending you to the abroad. You should definitely remember that. After going there, you will get many deviations. But whenever you get deviated into a negative side, you should definitely remember about your parents. I would like to suggest these things to the students very importantly. Rest all the things I've told by our teammates, our Riyan Sharif sir and also Sompal Yadav sir will be over there. Riyan sir will also be there and Faisal sir also. And I'm also from over there. I'll also be over there. So whatever the problem you got, if you are having communicating problem with Sompal sir or with Riyan sir or to Faisal, you can communicate with me. Since I can understand Tamil, but தமிழ் பேசுகிறது கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தெரியும் so I'm basically I know all the languages from the south and yes, all the very best to all the students and my sincere apologies for this late night. I think all of you are hungry or if you are already had your dinner then you might be sleepy. I'm very sorry for that and once again welcome to Indorus and welcome to Mari State University. We'll meet up in university. Okay? And I would like to thank Shoaib. He's also one of our team member from Indorus. He helps the students a lot. He works very hard. Yeah, and thank you so much.